Welcome back to the deep dive. Today we're getting into a really popular entry point into the drone world. It's a 40RC V8c HD camera drone. We've got all the source material here, all the specs, and our job is to, distill this down into what really matters. So you're trying to figure this drone out, maybe for yourself or for a younger pilot in your life. Our mission is pretty simple. We're going to pull up the core features, accessibility, safety, and the overall experience. And the idea is you walk away knowing exactly where this thing fits.
And it's pretty clear, looking at the fundamentals, that the V8c is, well, it's optimized to be a stress-free entry into flying. It's really defined by three main things. First, you get that immediate visual feedback from its 720p HD FPV camera. Second, a really efficient power system with 2 modular batteries. And third, it's just so portable. It even comes with its own little handbag for storage.
That sets the stage perfectly. Okay, let's unpack this. I think we should start with the flight experience itself. The sources make it sound like the designers really tried to get rid of that steep learning curve. So what makes this so accessible for someone who's never touched a drone controller before?
Well, the accessibility, it actually starts before you even fly it. It's the flexibility of the controls. You get the traditional 2.4 gigahertz remote controller, which is, what most people expect. But you can also do basic hand operations.
Oh, wow.
And that is so critical for new users, especially kids. It lets them learn intuitive movements without having to figure out 2 sticks and orientation right away. They can just interact with it.
Yeah, that makes sense. I think we sometimes forget that just learning the controller is half the battle, right? Taking that out of the equation at first is a pretty smart move. But okay, once you do start using the controller, flying is still hard. I mean, just keeping it at the same height?
Absolutely. Altitude management is where I'd say 90% of beginner frustration comes from.
Yeah.
You're constantly fighting the throttle, trying to stop it from just dropping out of